Welcome to the subject Digital Signal Processing. My name is Satish Koduri. Today our topic is quantization error. Quantization means truncation or rounding. It is the process of reducing binary bits to fit in a finite word length register by removing less significant bits. Here, quantization error means quantization error is denoted by E of n, which is equal to xq of n minus x of n. The definition is difference between quantized value and unquantized value, where x of n is unquantized value, where xq of n is quantized value, where E of n is quantization error. The definition is difference between the quantized value and unquantized value is called as quantization error. Now let us consider an example. X of n is equal to 0.7. This number is in decimal number system. Base of decimal number system is 10. If we convert this decimal number into binary number, base of binary number system is 2. 0.10110 so on. If we quantized this binary number to 3 bits, we will consider first 3 bits 0.101. Exact value of 0.70 in decimal number equal to 0.101101 so on in binary number system. Now it is quantized to 0.101. If we convert this quantized value to decimal number, we will get 0.625. The calculation part of converting a binary number into decimal number. This is the calculation part. This is quantized value xq of n, given x of n is unquantized value. Quantization error E of n is equal to xq of n minus x of n. Then we will get quantization error is 0.075. Now we will discuss the quantization error effect on IIR filters. Consider a second order IIR filter with a transfer function h of z. Find the effect on quantization on pole locations for the given system. Take quantization bits 3 bits. So this is the given IIR filter transfer function. Poles of this transfer function, we can get poles by taking denominator is equal to 0. We will get poles. Z is equal to 0.5, Z is equal to 0.45. These poles are unquantized poles. Before quantization, we are taking the poles. Now we are taking first pole, that is 0.5. If we convert this decimal number into binary number, that is 0.1, this is unquantized value x of n. If we quantize it to 3 bits, 0.1003 bits. This is quantized value. If we convert this quantized value to decimal number, we'll get the same value 0.5. Quantization error formula is this. If we substitute, error is 0. There is no change in first pole. Before quantization is pole is at 0.5. After quantization, pole is at 0.5. Quantization error is 0. Now we are considering second pole, that is 0.45. Binary equivalent is 0.011. Calculation part to convert decimal to binary is given here. 0111, 0.0111, so on. If we quantized to 3 bits, 0.011. This quantized binary value is equivalent to 0.375 in decimal number. Calculation part is given here. That is quantized value xq of n. We know the quantization error formula. E of n is equal to difference between quantized value and unquantized value. So error we are getting like this. Second pole before quantization is 0.45. Second pole after quantization 0.375. If we quantize IIR filter, given IIR filter, second pole is moved from 0.45 to 0.375. We know the properties of Z transform. This is the property. If all poles are inside the unit circle in Z plane, then system is called as stable system. Here given IIR filter is stable or not, we need to find out. So this is the given transfer function before quantization. Pole is at 0.5, pole is at 0.45. This pole is 0.5. Next inside pole, this pole is 0.45. These two poles are inside the unit circle. This is unit circle. So this system is stable system before quantization. Now we need to consider after quantization. First pole is not changed, 0.5. Second pole is changed from 0.45 to 0.375. Here poles are 0.5 and Z is equal to 0.375. This is 0.5. This is 0.375. This is unit circle. These two poles are inside the unit circle. So given system is stable system after quantization also. Now second example, consider an IIR filter with transfer function like this. Is the system is stable or not? If coefficients are rounded to 3 bits, means quantization, after quantization, would this system is stable or not? Practice this problem. You can get poles. First pole is 0. Second pole 0. 35. Thank you.